So here in this video we will see the working mechanism of a single phase electric meter. In this left side we connect our input and the output goes at the right side. Let's remove the cover. I will connect the input wires and see what happens. The indicator LED shows the meter is working. I will check its output voltage. It's 246, same as the input voltage. Let's connect the load and see if this shows any reading. Since this bulb is 100 watt, I will have to wait for 10 hours to move 1 unit, but I can't wait that long. So let's open it and see what's inside and how it works. I will have to remove this seal to open it. So this is all it has inside: a circuit and an analog meter. The circuit has resistor, capacitor, crystal, oscillator and IC. With the indicator LEDs, there are total 4 LEDs. First one is the phase LED, it shows the meter is working. The second one is earth. Whenever current drains across the earthing wire, this LED glows. Third one is the reverse current indication. It means if you feed a power to the meter from the load's terminal, this LED will glow. The fourth one is the calculation LED. It shows the power consumption. This is an analog meter. It works with the AC current. I have explained this meter in detail in my previous video. Click on top right to watch. I have connected 12 volt AC supply to run this meter. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.